I'm gonna bring y'all this video. I'm gonna tell y'all the 100% truth. Is it good for your car?
Video is real. It is all edited, CGI, and fake. Do not attempt anything seen in this video.
Sliding these bitches, V8 the motor. Take the tune out, track out, zoom out. These niggas hate that I'm bad niggas threw off. I say the word and he blasting you crew off. Double G Bell nigga, shout out to Snoop Dogg. These bitches can't tell the truth. Paul, Richie gon' feel it, your soul get pierced. Niggas switching like Ray, feel like Rondo, I been in LA. Got niggas to hoop on. But bitch, you ain't getting no money. I'm chasing racks, Sunday to Sunday. Bluetooth bullets, pipe boy onion. Stay down, come up, bitch.
What it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy SRTJD back with another video. And today, as y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm finna be telling y'all about tunes. As y'all know, I do got my SCATPACK BURBLE tune by Underground Tuning. So today I'm gonna give y'all 5 pros and 5 cons about the BURBLE tune and just my opinions on the BURBLE tune and everything, man. But first thing first, we're gonna go out here and get y'all this cold start real quick, and then I'm gonna drive over to a parking garage, and that's what we're gonna do the video. As y'all see, YouTube, man, I have my 101 392 SCATPACK right here. Of course, as y'all know, man, I'm tuned by Underground Tuning. And we finna get straight into this video, man. Light drop. Alright, YouTube, let's get straight into this video, man. So if you watching this video, 9 times out of 10 you probably want a tune or you're trying to get a tune, because this is how I was before I bought my tune. I was watching YouTube videos trying to get information, and I don't feel like everybody was being quite honest in their videos, man. So I'm gonna bring y'all this video. I'm gonna tell y'all the 100% truth about the BURBLE tune and is it good for your car? So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and answer that question. Is a BURBLE tune good for your car? In my opinion, no. But do I love my BURBLE tune? Yes. So if you want it, you just gotta go for it. It's not good for the car, but who cares? You know what I'm saying? It's miles per gallon, not miles per gallon. I done had my BURBLE tune for about 2 weeks now. My gas mileage dropped about 3 miles per gallon. Now I say about 2.5. So I dropped about 2.5 miles per gallon. I was at like 14. Now I'm at like 12. And I even been driving. I done tried to like raise it, y'all. I done drove slow, cruise control. It's not getting higher than about 13 miles per gallon when you got a BURBLE tune. Especially with a 6.4 liter V8, man. I got a super big V8. So, you know what I'm saying? It drink gas anyway. All right, man. The second thing I don't like about the BURBLE tune is hacking the PCM. I think that just come with its own little set of problems in the way. You change the car's computer system or you like modify, it's gonna be reading stuff weird. It's gonna be throwing different codes and stuff like that. So that's a part of it, I can say, at least for MOPAR. Now, if you got like an older car, you tune it, I don't think you really gonna run into them problems. But my computers and stuff be tripping sometimes. Like I have to cut my car off, cut it back on, or reset the battery for everything to go back to working normal. And I think it's because of the PCM being unlocked and stuff like that. But I said I was gonna tell y'all 5 bad things, but other than the gas mileage or whatever with the car, that's really the only bad thing. One other thing is the car is super loud. Like sometimes I be wanting to drive my car like calmly and be chill, you know what I'm saying? But the car is still so loud that it's like you can't be chill in the car. Like sometimes I be driving, and you know, if you let off the gas at a certain amount of RPMs, the car gonna shoot flames and pop. So sometimes I'd be chilling, you know what I'm saying, not trying to shoot flames, and the car just get to going crazy like. That's a negative, but at the same time, if I really didn't want it to do that, I could just go home and take the BURBLE tune off and run just the performance tune. Now let's get into the good things about this tune, because I really do like this tune. Make sure when y'all get in the tune, you know your tuner, you communicate with them, and you trust them. You know what I'm saying? I got tuned through Underground. I went with them because I trusted them. We don't really communicate that often, which is a bad thing. Y'all should actually communicate with your tuner. They are like a trusted brand. They tune a lot of MOPAR, so I wasn't too worried about putting their tune on my car. Yeah, man, let's just get straight into the 5 good things about this tune. I'm gonna give y'all a POV and let y'all hear the car popping, man. We got the tune, so we gonna show it off. So the first thing I love about my Stage 2 Advanced BURBLE tune, man, is it is faster. It is a performance tune, y'all, so it adds horsepower. Once I took my pedal commander off, man, I really realized the increased throttle response. The car feel better. It's just, I don't know. I feel like that pedal commander was throwing it off. And I'm not trying to diss pedal commander because I done had pedal commanders on all my cars. It's just that now that this car is tuned, it's not good. Don't run the pedal commander on the tuned car, man. It's only meant to be ran on the stock car. And the car is faster, man. The throttle response is crazy. Like, it's like I unlocked what the car already had. It did add horsepower, but still, like I said, I ain't do no mods, y'all. This is a stock engine. Everything in this car is stock. So all I did was unlock what the car already had, man. Another thing I love, man, is the flames. I never had a car in my life that shot flames. I try not to overdo it, but the car's so fun, y'all, that it's hard. So another thing, when you get a tune, man, it takes off the rev limiter. So if you got a MOPAR, or if you know about MOPARs, you know that Dodge put rev limiters on these cars at like 4,000 RPM when in neutral or park. Now that I'm tuned, I can rev my car all the way to 7,000 RPMs, man. I love the reactions that I get to the car, man. So obviously it's rap, but like the BURBLE tune, people really be like wow. And a lot of people, if you don't know about cars and you see a car fly past you with fire shooting out the back of it, you really thinking like that car is super fast. But I done had people be like how much horsepower are you running? And because they see the fire coming out the back, they think the car pushing like 700, 800 horsepower. It's not, baby. This is just a regular little scat. You know what I'm saying? I just got a tune so I can shoot fire at the back. If you want to line it up, we can. I mean, I ain't ducking no smoke at all because we ready to go. You know what I'm saying? We got the new 315s on the front. We got the 315s in the back. We ready now. We ain't ducking no smoke, but it's not that fast, y'all. It's just a little knick-knack SCATPACK, man. And all I do is drift it or slide it for the people who don't like me calling slide and drifting. I hope y'all got a lot of good information, man. Do I recommend the BURBLE tune? I would say if you're not making content with your car or doing nothing like that, you just daily in there, I would say no. But for me, I got the tune for content to bring it to y'all so y'all can see, so I can make these type of videos, you know what I'm saying? So do I recommend it? Not really, but hey man, if you want to have fun, you want to shoot fire, you want to go fast, I say do it all day long, man. Let's get straight in the car. And we finna get y'all this POV, man. There go police right there, y'all. But that pop was super loud, y'all. See, at first, I ain't know how to play with it.
Bro, come on now, dawg.
But now, hold on, y'all. Pause. But now, man, I done found the sweet spot. I know how to make that thing talk, man. Check him out. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to get a crazy pop under this bridge right here, y'all. These Las Vegas lights be taking forever, bro. chose the worst time to do this video, y'all, because there's so much traffic. Crazy, man. Ooh, bro, some of them be so loud, bro. It's like ridiculous. Yeah. Look at this dude on the bike, bro. Oh, okay then. He got the BURBLE tone too, y'all. I was finna go to Houston's Hot Chicken, which is like right across the street. But I passed by this dealership with all these exotic cars, y'all. I had to come over here and just show y'all, man. Lamborghini Urus. This one got red interior. I can't wait till it's my turn to have something like this, man. Look at this purple. Go crazy. Matte blue. Orange. Then I got the Porsches over there. A couple Porsches, Benz, C8. I don't know what some of this stuff is out here. I gotta show y'all this too, man. Y'all see you got the Tesla truck out here. But look at this TRX. See, that's how you know I'm a real, like, muscle car guy at heart, because all these exotics out here, and this is the thing I'm most excited about, is this TRX right here. This is a Mammoth 1000. I don't know what this means. Oh, it's built by Hennessy. So it probably got 1,000 horsepower. Crazy, man. I got a Hennessy TRX up here next to the G-Wagons. It's a nice red on this G-Wagon right here, though. And of course, y'all got my baby sitting right here. You know, I'm an exotic too. But yeah, man, I had to come out here and show y'all these whips. Now I'm finna really pull up to the chicken place. It's just this so motivational to see, man, because I know, like, one day I'm gonna have something like this. I'm gonna have SRTJD on the side of the Lamborghini, man. Y'all see, man. Shout out to Houston, Texas Hot Chicken, man. They get us right every time. All right, y'all, man. I am on the way to the crib. I just wanted y'all to hear the BURBLE tune. That thing going crazy. I be feeling bad sometimes, y'all, because I know that stuff be like super loud. I'm finna go bust this chicken down, though. Y'all just don't understand. It's over with for that Houston's Hot Chicken, boy. All right, YouTube, man. I'm about to go home and eat, man. This is coming up to the end of this video. I really hope y'all got some good information, like I said. Thank y'all for watching me. Like, comment, and subscribe right now, man. Keep God first, chase y'all dreams. And I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. SRTJD out.
Sliding these beats, V8 the motor. Take the tune out, track out, zoom out. These niggas hate that I'm bad niggas threw off. I say the word and he blasting you crew off. WG Bell nigga, shout out to Snoop Dogg. These bitches can't tell the truth, Paul. Reach, you gon' feel it, your soul get pierced. Niggas switching like Ray. Feel like Rondo, I been in LA. Got niggas to hoop on. But bitch, you ain't getting no money. I'm chasing racks, Sunday to Sunday.